Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. We're just gonna be doing another trade recap. I'm gonna cover those longs that I took today. Let's get right into it. So, coming into the day initially. Oh wait, let me use my replay tool real fast. Um. All right. So, coming to this day initially, the first thing I saw when I hopped on the charts is that we had SMT with these highs. That CPI went and took, and we had been trading within this range for a couple of days, right? Um, why is it playing forward like that? Oh, whatever. So yeah, which high is that? Okay, so yeah, CPI again cleared that whole range, and we had SMT with that. YM had not taken that high yet. So I was just initially interested in longs. I wanted to see if we were gonna either reverse from this SMT, right, or go up and break it. Now, how do I position myself on side for that and know if that's what we're gonna do? Well, I was simply just watching the 15-minute for a continuation signature or a reversal signature. My reversal signature would have been NQ, disrespecting the 50% of this range. Have that marked out properly. So let's play it forward. I was waiting for the open as well, by the way. So here's that open, right? You see at the open, we trade into that 50%, and we respect it. And again, I'm wanting to trade YM to those highs as SMT break. We have that PSP right here, and then we have that SMT fill. So we technically have a two-stage crack, but for these longs anyways, we only need a one-stage crack. And structurally, we are not reversing from the SMTs at these highs. So I know we're going to want to go and break that SMT, right? Since I was using a 15-minute fractal and I saw price was trading extremely volatile and YM had no opposing candles to SysD, but the other assets actually did. So as you see, the asset SysD here on the 3-minute has proper opposing candles. YM really only had one. So I dropped down to my lower time frame fractal and I got long right here within this 1-minute candle. Just using that SMT break logic to go break that SMT at these highs, right? Then if I full screen this right here, and we just want to watch how this plays out. See, we have a bit of a retracement there. Price started to chop up. Everybody started to freak out on stream. And, this is just what happens sometimes. Delivery isn't always the cleanest. But that's why I don't like to trail my stop anything. Just put my stop break even here. And just let price do its thing. And then eventually, bang, we hit TP. And if I remember, this was followed by very much a large expansion day. A lot of people got hurt trying to short this. There was no 4-hour profile that supported a reversal or even a higher time frame retracement to this 4-hour gap. Just to say that for everybody here in Lathers, there was nothing to really get short off of. If you're looking at 4-hour profiles, essentially. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my trade recap here. And I hope you guys cook these on live with me. I'll catch you. Peace.